Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Dry for most over the next 24 hours and with clear skies in one or two spots. It will be frosty and there'll also be some freezing fog patches around. First thing Tuesday, some dense fog to watch out for, particularly for East Anglia in the southeast where we see clear skies continuing into Monday night and those fog patches forming after dark. Elsewhere there's a lot of cloud cover, so that will tend to keep temperatures frost-free, but any rainfall across Scotland will clear away and that will lead to some gaps in the cloud, so perhaps a touch of frost for eastern parts of Scotland, into southeast Scotland, northeast England, sheltered parts of Wales and so on. Patchy frost for many, widespread frost for the southeast and the south of England, -4 to -6 Celsius in, say, sheltered parts of Hampshire. And it's in the southeast where there could be some issues first thing on Tuesday with freezing fog patches, slow to clear, potentially affecting some London airports and, of course, road travel. But the fog will tend to lift by about 11 o'clock and in many places skies will brighten. Much of England and Wales seeing sunny spells. Scotland and Northern Ireland generally cloudier, but for Scotland at least it's drier compared to Monday. And for much of the UK it's a fine bright day. A bit more of a breeze for the northwest of Scotland, 9 Celsius here, 10 Celsius perhaps for Pembrokeshire. Otherwise we're into the mid to high single figures generally, and if any freezing fog patches persist into the afternoon, well, those temperatures will be suppressed where that occurs. Clearing skies again across parts of central and southern England mean that a widespread frost and fog will form by the start of Wednesday, with some dense patches from the Midlands into East Wales, East Anglia, southern counties of England. Again, for northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, cloudier skies here mean that it will be generally a milder night and a bit more of a wind developing for western Scotland and Northern Ireland towards the end of the night. But we'll start off with those fog patches, dense fog patches under this area of high pressure, which is still holding on across southeastern parts of the country into Wednesday. This cold front, meanwhile, although it's a weakening feature as it crosses the country, it does open the door to more active Atlantic systems to come in later in the week. For the time being, though, Wednesday morning begins with outbreaks of rain for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, the rainfall tending to become more showery as it pushes into eastern and southern Scotland and eventually North Wales. Meanwhile, fog across central and southern Britain eventually lifts and disperses, areas of cloud persisting but staying dry through daytime here, and once the early wet weather clears for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, brighter skies, a blustery breeze and 1 or 2 showers. 9, 8 Celsius or so behind this area of rainfall, but ahead of it actually we've got this stagnant air and any freezing fog patches that persist mean that those temperatures again will be suppressed through much of the day. Big change on the way through Thursday and Friday, becoming windier and wetter more widely across the country. More details on that, of course, can be found via the Met Office Week Ahead forecast, which you can find on YouTube and the Met Office Facebook page. Do follow us on social media for all the very latest. Bye-bye.